Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So a quick update here on my Voyager portfolio. I still have a little bit of cash on the sidelines, $10. Ooh, big deal, right? But I did invest in the Voyager token. It seems like it's holding its own, but it's not going anywhere. So, yeah, that's okay, I guess. I'm just going to add a little bit more to it. I'm going to buy, and I'm going to max it out. $10. Which is 2. Well, okay, not a big deal, right? But hey, at least I did something. All right. So I got some more Voyager. I got the Voyager stock. I purchased some last week on E-Trade. Go see my other video on that. I'm purchasing the Voyager token because I think Voyager, it could potentially be the next Coinbase or the next Binance. And the Voyager token could be the next Binance token, the BNB. So it's got a huge, bright future in front of it. Adding users, doing upgrades. Pretty soon the upgrade is going to be done where they can have 10 million users in there simultaneously. The deposits have been fixed already. I showed you guys the other day. My deposit went in instantaneously. So anyway, guys, check out Voyager. Smash the video like button. So this video can get out to a lot of people. We can really get Voyager out there and get the awareness up of the app and how good it is compared to Coinbase because of the fees are just phenomenally low, right? They work off of more spreads, but you're not paying $2.99 every time you want to make a purchase on Coinbase. Those Coinbase fees are crazy, and the Coinbase Pro interface is not that friendly. The interface here, you guys watch my videos, right? Hopefully. Interface here is awesome. You just saw how quick I bought that. No problem whatsoever. So yeah, this is the place to be. No problem with that. Alright guys. Anyway, seriously, Voyager is the future. If you're looking into a stock to get into, see my other video on Voyager and a little bit of analysis that I did, at least a preliminary analysis before I dove in and bought a little stake in the company. I'm going to do a more depth analysis in that video of the Voyager in the future, and I'll make another video on that. So let me know what you guys think of Voyager and the Voyager token and just this whole Voyager ecosystem. Because doing this and you don't have to stake to earn interest, that's just awesome. That's the way to go, right? I also made another video on the Sellers app, and I think that's a really good app as well. But you can't sell in this country, in the US. So that's kind of one of the downsides and detractors from that one. Anyway, guys, let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching.